Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a Dove shop, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your shop. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Dive Shop, and there it is over there. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Dive shop so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and click on continue. Awesome. Where is our diving shop located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address over here as well as my postal code and click continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday at these times. So I'm going to click on continue. On a Sunday, we open from 9 a.m. and we close at 4:30 p.m. Awesome. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or hours and make the necessary amendments. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my diving shop in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. You can see they're all really high quality, really stunning, visually nice images. However, if you've got your own images and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any color coding or any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. So let's get cracking. The first thing I'm going to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our address, our state, province, and postal code. And the great thing about that address in the top left hand corner is you can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions. Let's make sure that's saved and head over to update social links. Now over here you can put in your various social media platforms your Dive shop is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few free great options on there. Let's save. If we want to make it bigger and smaller, we can certainly do that. Now with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors for you. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your Dive shop. However, if the colors don't quite work with the signage throughout your shop, your business cards, your logo, etc., you don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to just click on the handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color options available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and just see which one works best for me. Let's try that one. What about that one? Let's take a look. That one is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images of yourself in action, diving, or doing workshops or classes or anything along those lines, go ahead and upload them here. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for dive shop, but you can play around with the terms and just see which one picks up suitable images. We can put in diving, or we could say scuba diving as well. Let's try that one and just see what works best. Awesome. So this one's great. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that one. Let's check it out. That looks great. Very beautiful with the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Over here, title, subtitle can be amended. Button can link to various places and be changed. So perhaps you don't want it to say learn to dive today. Maybe you want it to say get in touch or get directions. But I like the learn to dive today. So I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. I'm now going to head over to choose link. So we can link to another website if need be. Maybe you have a calendar booking website or something along those lines. Otherwise, an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and say click to email for this one. You can as well also upload a PDF file, which is great. Perhaps you can put all the different rates or gear that you have, a catalog in PDF format, and upload it over there. Over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline. Button can link to various places. If you want to make any changes, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your dive store came to be, how long you've been in the industry, are you a keen diver yourself, do you offer lessons, do you organize diving trips and excursions. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Another great spot over here for a high quality image. Choose one from that photo library or upload one of your own as I've just shown you in the library. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your diving store offers. Sorry about that. Do you offer scuba gear rentals, including tanks, wetsuits, masks, etc., advanced open water classes? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to you for. If you need to make any last changes to those hours that we previously put in and that physical location, go ahead and click on update section over here. So look at that. We've literally gone through the website for our diving store or diving shop in literally less than 10 minutes. It looks absolutely visually stunning. I love all the colors, all the images. They work really well together. I did it all myself. I'm not even that tech savvy and it was such a breeze. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed just to do the free trial for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and sign up. You've got nothing to lose. See how well this service works. If you've got a custom domain, you can click on connect your domain and say I already have a domain and set it up. There is a blog post over with a step-by-step tutorial over on our website, www.mightysauce.com, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Now, if you don't have a custom domain, really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. All you need to do is click on I want a new domain and purchase your custom domain to make your Mighty Sites website look even more professional. Awesome. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your diving shop. Really wishing you and your business Mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, or if you just want to drop us a message or you need some assistance, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.